Bison hot dogs. The thing about Bison hot dogs, or any hot dog for that matter, is that you should be trying to taste the flavor of the meat. But a lot of people mess that up. So I'm going to show you how to put this together with only 3 ingredients that it will enhance the flavor. And remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. So what I have here are Bison hot dogs. They are delicious. And people tend to make a lot of mistakes when they are eating hot dogs because they put the wrong toppings and the wrong ingredients. Ketchup and mustard, I always avoid because it hides the flavor. I understand if you use it for some cheap hot dogs, but even then you don't want to use it there. So I have 3 toppings I'm going to add to this. And it's simply onion, sauerkraut, you can buy in the store, and tomatoes. And the tomatoes, you have to prepare them in a fashion that I'm going to show you soon. And the onions are cut vertically. See, they're kind of long. And if it's too long, just cut it in half too. And these are cherry tomatoes, by the way. I guess you can use any type, but I go with the cherries. And you just cut them in half. So the worst ingredient you can use for hot dogs is ketchup. Ketchup is designed to hide the taste or the flavor of a meal, of a meat that happens to be bland. Hot dogs are not supposed to be bland if you choose the right ones. So instead, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my Roman tomatoes and I'm going to create a replacement for that ketchup, and it's going to enhance the flavor of your hot dog. It's going to be delicious. So in a small pan, you preheat it, medium high. You put some extra virgin olive oil. And what you're going to do, you're going to cook the tomatoes. You're going to heat them up, you're going to soften them. And it's going to take a few minutes. Then you're going to add some thyme, fresh. Give it the aromatic and taste. You can squash them a little bit. And then you're going to add a little bit of sugar if you want to, or a sugar replacement like plant-based. We're going with the plant-based. Just to give them the sweet taste. And you're going to cook it for several minutes until the tomatoes are soft. You can push them down. You can lower the heat to medium. It might take you a little bit longer, but that's fine. After 3 or 4 minutes, it's going to look like this. See? Get ready for the next step. Pot, water. I'm going to only cook 2. Add you 2 hot dogs. You Bison hot dogs, or American Buffalo hot dogs. And you're going to boil them. And I'm going to let them boil for about 7, maybe a little bit longer minutes. So here is the hot dog, Bison hot dog, ready cooked, my 3 ingredients, and my bread.